Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to compare two exceptional applications known as TextPlus, and this is the TextPlus application, and the another application is going to be the TextMe application. I'll show you a few screenshots. This video is just my honest comparison, and this video does not include or contain any paid promotion. So guys, you can watch this video until the end. So before we go on to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to receive daily tech updates on tech updates. And there are various videos in our channel which helps you to solve the latest problems, etc. So guys, if you have any few suggestions on this video, or if you have any few ideas and or problems which you're facing related to the tech field, and if you would need my help, just please leave it in the comment section, or you can contact me via my mail or telegram. I'll be glad to help you. So guys, let's just not waste any more time, let's straightly dive into the video. Both these applications are available in the Google Play Store. First of all, the TextMe application has 10 million plus downloads, and in the 10 million plus downloads out of 477k reviews, it has 3.8 stars. Okay, but if we take a look at the TextPlus application, it has about 50 million plus downloads, and out of the 468k reviews, it has a 3.7 stars. So in the reviews, in the downloads, obviously the TextPlus is the obvious winner. In the review part, TextMe actually has a single 0.1 star rating higher than the Text Plus application. TextMe has 0.1 stars reviews higher than the TextPlus application. Now, if we take a look at the sign up problems or something, this is my TextMe account. As you can see over here, this is my welcome message. When making a TextMe account, I did not face any sign up problems. Okay, this application was easy to use, so there is no I mean, I am from India, and this application gives you numbers such as US and Canada numbers. Okay, they also provide you all these countries numbers, and I am not from any of these countries, but still I was able to use this application, and when signing up and installing, I did not face any errors. While on the other hand, in the TextPlus application, if I open it, this is the TextPlus application. When signing up, sometimes I did face a few issues when making an account, and I actually posted a video in order to how to fix the sign up problem too. So guys, if you want to fix a sign up problem, just go check out the description or the first comment. I leave this video's link in the description and the first comment, so it will be helpful for you guys. I'll pin the comment so it will be available, it will be shown to you as the first comment. So guys, before quitting this video, just go check out the comment section, so it would be helpful for you in order to, there are a lot of videos which I'll pin in the comment section, such as how to earn money using the Brave browser, or how to fix the sign up problems of the TextNow application, or etc. So it's going to be helpful to you, so I recommend you guys go checking it out. Now, if we take the TextPlus application, I have actually posted a few other comparisons of the TextPlus application, such as with the TextNow application or with the second line application, etc. So guys, I leave that video's link also in the description. You guys can just go check it out. Now, if we take a look at the my personal usage comparison, I would choose TextPlus over the TextMe application at any time, with my even my eyes closed. The reason is that the TextMe application actually, for example, I'm going to choose a US number. I'm going to choose obviously New York. It's going to be 315. If I choose this, and I'm going to choose a number, they're going to ask me to pay for the number. Meanwhile, in the Plus application, as you can see, I actually own a number. I actually own a number, and I got this number entirely for free. I did not use or pay anything. And when signing up in the Text Plus application, I did not get any credits. I earned 2 credits by watching a rewarded video. Meanwhile, in the TextMe application, I received 10 credits, and I used 5 of those credits in order to send a hi message to my as you can see, I used it to send a message of hi to myself in order to test how it works. So the thing which I'm coming to say is that the TextPlus application is entirely free, and you could get a local phone number for free, and you could also the best thing which I like in the TextPlus application compared to even the other market leaders such as the TextNow second line is that I was able to create a Telegram account and a WhatsApp account using the text plus number entirely for free. I'll show you my WhatsApp account. Wait, this is my. I'll show you guys my number. As you can see, this is my number, and this number is something which I obtained from the. Okay, there are
how to make and withdraw
ads in the TextPlus application. I mean, not few. There are quite a lot of ads in the TextPlus application. That is the only negative part of the TextPlus application. But other than that, as you can see, I was able to make a WhatsApp account. Just take a look at my number, this number, and this number. I was able to make even social media accounts using the text plus number. I was able to receive OTPs, calls, everything, and I was able to text other Canada and US citizens for entirely free of cost. So according to me, the obvious winner is going to be the TextPlus application. So, but still, your opinions may vary. As in the sign up problem section, if you just take a look at the sign up problem, the TextMe application is going to be much more easier in signing up or choosing a number. See, you may get a few errors like this when choosing a number in the TextPlus application. Okay, so guys, uh, but still, I guess solving this errors and problems is going to be much easier than paying and using our money. So, but if you still think differently, instead of wasting my time, I just use the money which I have, then you could obviously go use the TextMe application. But if you do not want to waste money, then I recommend you guys using the TextPlus application. Once again, this is not a paid promotion or anything. This is just my honest opinion. So, guys, once again, thanks for watching my video until the end. If like I told before, if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section. And if you did enjoy watching this video, just click on thumbs up button below this video. Like I told before, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to support me. And guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again, and the next video is going to be tomorrow. I'm going to post a video daily. So guys, until then, bye.